Hey guys, and welcome to your tutorial on how to make a Quizizz. We'll be making a Quizizz today based on our modern Islam facts, but you can make a Quizizz about pretty much anything, and this is a quick tutorial on how to show you how to do that. First thing you want to do is go to your quizizz.com. It should look like this. You should already be signed in. If you haven't signed in, make sure you sign in and use your STU account. And then you're just going to go up here to where it says create a quiz. It will then ask you to name your quiz, so you're going to put your cohort, Gauchos, Spartans, or Rams, plus your name and your partner's name, since you will be doing this in partners. And then your topic is super easy. You can just put history and social studies and press next. Next, you're going to want to write your own. And it's pretty simple. It almost looks exactly like Kahoot. You write your question up here, and you make sure you click off has a correct answer, and you put as many options as you want. So our first question is, what is one stereotype modern Muslims are accused of? I have it on single answer. You could do it multiple answer, but right now we're going to do single answer. And here are my options: being too nice, treating women as slaves or lesser people, or eating pork. Obviously, treating women as slaves or lesser people is the answer here, so I have to click off that button. It also has a timer down here, so you can put as 30 seconds, 45 seconds, a minute, 15 minutes, whatever you want, but remember, your student should be able to answer that in an appropriate amount of time. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to put in images or the audio, so you can actually put in some pictures. So let's just click the picture button, and once you get this open, you can add stuff that you already have in your computer. So if you've saved something to your downloads, you can put it right in there. It'll go right to your computer and you can just kind of pick it. I think I have some Islam ones in here. Let's go ahead and find some Islam. Here we go. Here's Islam. Let's put the Caliph in there. Although that does not really fit my stereotype, does it? So let's find a better one. So since my question has to do with Muslim women, I literally just Google searched Muslim women, went to images. I'm going to find one. And here's another way you can do it. You do not have to save this. So usually we go to save image as, it'll save it to our downloads, and then you can upload it here. What we're going to try instead is, I'm going to delete that. Right down here it says enter or paste a link to an image. So let's try that. So here's the image. To be able to get the link, you go down here and you go open image in new tab. Once you have it opened, this is the link you want. So I'm going to copy this link, throw it down here, and let's see if that works. Hey, there it is. So now I don't even need to have to save it, but I do have to get the link for the image. Once you're done, you press save. Actually, I'm going to put that up to, let's keep it 30 seconds. I like 30 seconds. I'm going to click save, and there's my first one created. When you want to make another one, you just click this, and you make your second question. For this one, it's an open-ended question, modern Islamic people, ... Now obviously this has way more than one correct answer. So I'm going to go up here to the single answer and go to multi-select. That way these little boxes come up, and that hints off to your student or whoever's taking your quiz. They can check one more. If you want to make sure they know that you can check more than one, you can say more than one answer in your question, and then you can make sure all three are checked off since they're all the correct answer. You press save, and now we get 2. Once you make at least 5 questions, you're going to have to go up here and press the finish quiz. However, you can also add an image right here if you would like. I would definitely add an image right here. So there's my image. Oops, gotta put the grades. Let's say from 6 to 8, since that's the class, or at least the school we're in, is a middle school. and then you click Finish Quiz. Of course, I only have 2. I want you to have at least 5. But let's just say Finish Quiz. Again, we'll click off History and Social Studies. Press Save. Now your quiz is ready to go. Now, to actually have someone play your game, you have to click on the game and then press play. Once you press play, you'll be able to select your settings, your timer, what kind of memes you get. I'm just going to press start game so you can see what this. And if you click the play button, it will play automatically. However, it'll be on your computer with your name. So you actually want to share this, and it'll give you the link and it'll automatically copy it to the clipboard, but you can double check and press copy. Then you're going to go to Google Classroom. You're going to find the Modern Islam Quizzes post all here. You're going to add a comment. You're going to press paste, and you're going to post it. Once it's posted, when students click on it, I'll show you exactly what it looks like. And remember, make sure your student does this on their computer and not your computer or iPad. Click it open. And hopefully it still doesn't have you logged in, but it will show this to your actual students. What you want to do is click a live game, or you can even put it as a practice. But either way, it'll go right to the live game. Just make sure they're using their computers. That way it gives them their score. I hope you guys had fun creating your quizzes. Good luck creating.